Hello guys, in this video I will actually share a Chinese based website that I found out yesterday, which allows you to create free API keys which will call API AI models directly. This website I have given the link in the description of the video. The address is api.vectorengine.ai. So this is actually the landing page. So right here it contains all the AI models, Claude, GPT, DeepSeek, Quen. So right here they provide you with a free API. So right here now to join this, you click on the sign in button, and you can, if you have a Google, so if you have a GitHub account, you can directly log in. Let me just go to the login page. So you just agree with the conditions, terms and conditions. And if you have a GitHub account, you can simply log in with the GitHub account as well. So I will do the GitHub login. So once it is authenticated, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So right here, you will see your APIs. So now to create the API token inside the sidebar section, you click the API token. They also have this chat interface as well. So the playground section. So from here you can select any kind of. So just click on API token, and for creating the token, you click on create token and just give it a name right here. And from here you select whatever model that you want to use. So you will see all the models are so present. You simply select. So you can select up to 3 models. So after you selected this, click on the submit button. So your token will be created, and this will be your API key. Simply copy this to clipboard. So it also have a playground section as well. So you click on confirm. So this chatbot window will open right here. You see this user interface. So right here you specify what sort of question that you want to ask. And as soon as you ask the question, you will see that the AI will respond to you. So right here, all the usage will be there. So new users, you will see it receive some kind of credit whenever you sign up upon registration. If you want to add some kind of credits, you can also add credits as well. So once you do this, you can add a payment method to add the credits as well. So it's very simple. You can even share your invitation code as well. So right here, you select the amount, and then you can easily. So once you sign up, it gives you this $0.40 credit once you sign up successfully. So it's very easy to set up. You simply sign up. It's a trusted kind of a website, and if you see the dashboard area right here, so this is the base URL, and so if you want to call this inside VS Code, you simply install an extension, which is this extension, and clean. So once it is successfully installed, you activate this extension. Select here Open AI compatible. Simply paste the base URL, and then it paste the token that it gives you. And also, so in this easy way, you can even call this API inside any kind of thing. So it provides you with the free API token. You can create multiple tokens as well. You click the create token button. So you can read more about it in the documentation they provide you with. This is their model hub. And this is the pricing page. From here. You can actually see it's a newly kind of a website. It has all about 628 models, as you see that it has ChatGPT, Claude Opus, Gemini, DeepSeek. So all the models are there. So some models are text, some models are audio and video.